Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a crank position sensor on my Chevy Silverado 2011. And I appreciate all the new subscribers. I think we're at like 100 and something, like 106. So if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, thanks for sticking with me. So let's get to the video. Just to be safe guys, you want to take the positive battery cable off the battery when you're doing this, because we're going to be taking off the starter to get to the sensor. So you want to get that off of there. You're going to just hit it somewhere where it's not going to touch any metal, and it should be good right there. It's not going to move. So I'm going to switch to the GoPro, and we're going to get to taking off the starter so we can get to the sensor. As you guys can see, After you get the starter off, you can see the sensor right there. So I'm guessing that bolt is about a, gotta see it. It looks like maybe a 10 or a 13 maybe. But I'm gonna grab some tools and get that out of there so we can keep this going. Alright guys, I'm gonna spray some PB Blaster on the sensor to loosen it up and let it sit there for a couple hours, and then we'll come right back to it. Alright guys, it looks like I'm gonna have to add some heat to get this sensor out. You guys might have to do the same thing, I don't know. And if you're not comfortable with it, you might want to take it somewhere where they're willing to heat it up and get it off there for you if it's this stubborn. But let's see how this goes. Cut it up there. Alright guys, I heated it up, but then it just tore. So now it's not anything to panic about. I'm going to, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here. I'm going to maybe get a drill and drill in there a little bit, then get a nail, and then get like a dent puller, like a body tool to pull dents. I'm gonna heat it up again. I'm gonna take the tire off, stick that in there straight on, and just see if I can use the slide hammer to get it out of there. That's the only thing I can think of. I'll get back to you guys when I get that done. Alright guys, I'm gonna take the tire off and see if I can get to the broken sensor by taking a wheel well out and everything. See if I can get the slide hammer through there. As you can see, there's the broken sensor. If you can't tell from that angle, it's literally right there. It broke off, so I'm gonna try to screw a nail or something in there that I can use to slide the slide hammer over that and just try to get it out that way. Hopefully it works. If that doesn't, I'm probably going to try to just heat it out until you can melt the little plastic or whatever that's made out of before you melt the block, obviously, especially with the little torch I have. So hopefully it just comes out with a slide hammer and the drilling technique. All right, let's get to it. Hopefully this works. If I can get it to where I need it. Alright guys, I got it halfway out, so the slider worked. So a few more hits, it should come out. Oh, there it is. So it worked. If you went into this problem, try this. And if you do, let me know if it works. Alright, let's put the other one in there. Alright guys, we got the sensor back on. Now I'm gonna put the starter and the ground back on after that, and then we're gonna test it out. So I'll come back when the starter's in. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the inner fender liner in. I obviously got the starter in back there, you can't see it. So now I'm gonna scan it and see if I get any codes, and obviously hook the battery back up. So I'll get back to you guys when I get that stuff done. So I do really appreciate the new subscribers and for checking me out, for even, you know what I'm saying, you see the videos and you feel like you should subscribe. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna try to push out more content and be more consistent. I really do appreciate you guys. All right guys, we got the car done, the truck done I should say. And so now I'm gonna take it for a test drive just to weed out the problems and make sure we're all good. So If you like the video, like it, subscribe, check out my other videos. If you feel so compelled, you know, I would appreciate it. So thanks for watching. Peace.